Hey guys, I thought I would do a little review of a couple products for the garden. This one is called a Pro Seeder, and I got this one here to place seeds into little um, starter pots, whether it's this type, the Groden, or the peat pots. And then I also, for in the garden area, I've got another type where the baffles change out for the size of the seed. So I'm going to do both tomatoes with the Pro Seeder, and we know how small the carrot seeds are, so I'm going to do carrot seeds with this trowel and see how that works out. So in the Pro Seeder packaging, inside there's a chart, and it gives the color code for which tip to put on this little suction cup device. And in at the bottom there's a little cup to place your seeds, and it comes with 3 tips to put on your little suction device. So for the tomatoes, it's listing a green, so here's the green tip, and it just goes right on the end here, like that. Got these out of the way. Okay, I've placed some brandywine seeds in, and we know how small those seeds can be, so I thought I'd give those a try. Placed a few in the little cap. Now, one thing I just, as I set this up, realized you don't want to push the bulb while you're facing the little needle into the cup, because then you blow the seeds all around. So just kind of depress it before you go in, and just put it over one seed and then let off a little pressure, and then you've got the seed. I don't know if you can coordinate myself here. Not working as good as I had hoped. That's lame. So there it is. There it was. Not working too good. So that's a good review. Wow. Let's try one out of the cap again. Easier to pick up, but they, unless you keep even pressure, well, this little item is going to be going back. Okay, this guy is called the Seed Master, and in the packaging, this is a $7 item. It comes with some baffles, and the baffles are numbered, and in this little pamphlet it lists which baffle for what type of seeds. So for the carrot seeds, it lists baffle size number 2, and I had already placed it in. It's got little tabs on there, and they just snap right in place. And this little wheel, you're supposed to turn it, click it, and then it just kind of vibrates them down into the prepared area. So let's see what we can do here with a few of these. These are Caracas seeds, very tiny little carrots. Broad-shouldered and very baby type carrot. Alright, yeah, good healthy supply there, and let's see what happens. Yeah, that's good. Okay, seeds are just clumping together there. All right, another great item. Okay, so the Pro Seeder definitely gets a total thumbs down, and we'll go back to the store. You know, $20. I'm not going to be mucking with seeds like that. I got it to you know, save seeds, not you know, have problems dropping them all over the place. This I'll probably keep because you know, the little trowel can still be used. There's a few little grooves here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me zoom in a little bit. Right at the very tip. Sorry. But at the tip there's a couple little bumps right here that will hold a seed as I'm kind of dropping them down. Okay, so anyway, that's my evaluation. This was only $6, so $6.95, so I'll keep this one. Take care.